tooth? Is it tooth? Is it tooth? Ah, she got close. Let's see. Oh, Mommy's favorite colors too. Look, oh, look at this Mickey Mouse. It's Mickey Mouse! Yay! Okay.
Do you like it, Jaden? You like it?
Yes. Yes. This one? Which one next? Just like so. Ah! Ah! You going crazy or what? Okay, there, it's open. Yay. Ready, look. Look at. Oh, she got Mickey Mouse again. She got Mickey. Leave me, please. Give me that. Mickey Mouse! And you got a pair of pants. Yay! Say thank you, Daphne. Give Daphne a kissy. Give Daphne.
Yeah, I don't think that was a thank you. They love you. And they love you.
Yay! You want to help Mommy open hers?
Say wave at David.
Say hi. Look up at the camera. Hi.
No hello?
Say mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, this one, Boo Boos. This one. Holding you and the gift is kind of heavy. Hey, Mom? Hey, Mom? Mommy? It's a dead end, Jaden. That's a dead end. Mommy's like so stupid, huh? You don't know how to open it. No. No. What is it? Oh, good. Look, I can get away from you in the tub. Yay! Haha. How did you know I take a bubble bath like every night? Like, literally, I take a bubble bath every night. Yay!
Speaking of the devil. Hello.
Yay!
What are you doing?